Greetings from Singapore. This is Hougang area. There's a Malayan in front, and I'm going to explore Hougang Mall today. It's just right in front, and there are some nice durian show here, or they're selling durians with different fruits here. Let's have a look. They're cutting the durian now. Wow. This is my first time visiting the Hougang Mall. I'm not sure what to expect, but this is the neighborhood area. It's not the downtown, so I think it's going in modest expectation. Let's go. This is the main ground level. There is some restaurant below, Ajisan Tanjiro, and a drink shop called Playmate. I'm going downstairs, the basement, to check out the food area because I'm excited to see what kind of food they here, the restaurant and stuff. This is a Koi Teh milk tea, is popular brand in Singapore. There's a Jiu Xian, Jiu Fen Tianping here. It's actually the dessert from Taiwan. If you guys have been to Jiu Fen in Taiwan, you know where is it. At the corner there's an NTUC fair price supermarket and a Shiling Taiwan street snacks. And the Krolo by Sui Heng, the first time I heard of it. Pork Hua Tonic, Mr. Bean Pork Hua Herbal Tea, gel cupcakes on the right, Sui Heng 1989. It's quite popular with Singaporeans. There's a Unity Pharmacy here. Bi Jing Yang BBQ Pork, 4 Leaf Bakery. And this is something new, exquisite color center. You can print color photos and maybe have your passport photo taken. These are the services. They do have the passport photo. It's smaller than I thought. This basement area, I thought there are some kind of food court. Not as well in a short while. Oh, there's some bars over here. They call the rice dumpling in English. Potato corner, pet lover center, a money exchange called Miss Money. That's nice. Mr. Bean, I mean MINT. Gu and Gu. Oh, this is a nice name, 大中国. It means Big China. Yeah, Bengawan Solo. You know Bengawan Solo? They sell the Angu Gui and lots of Gui. LAC Nutrition for Life, and we are back to the NTUC Fair Price with a POSB ATM in the corner. And before that is a Hoki Bao here. Shiling Taiwan street snacks, of course, it's more yummy and delicious when you go to Taipei to try it, the Shiling Night Market. Back to level 1, there's a W2 bags and leather shoes, One Optic, Ho Heng Jewelry, Fun Toast Coffee House in 1941. And you can go to Hougang Bus Interchange MRT from here. These are the names of shops here. Let's go to level 2 and more shops above. This is level 2. There's a Jonano here. Rest and Go massage chairs. A turtle shop, we sell the lots of stuff, cute stuff, plush toys, portable fans, sunglasses and more. And there's a hand tank clothes at the corner left side. Right in front with the round huts with a windmill, lingerie and clothing. And the corner with a Liho Tea and UB Bank. I also see Starbucks coffee and a Harvey Norman electronic shop. Hougang Mall, your neighborhood mall in Hougang, and then next to the Sorella, Kaiju Optical, back to Harvey Norman. Then there's a pop-up handphone accessory shop here. There's a lot of handphone cases from iPhone 16, 15 all the way to the lower end. Screen protector from $6 onwards. I like this. A lot of cases here. There are more cases than other shops in the neighborhood that I went to, like Clementi and Jurong East. I'm quite shocked. There's a vending machine selling the MRT train models and the bus. They call it a can shop, smart vending. And right here there's a new shop, Cornelia Cherry. I'll back to Starbucks coffee. And on the right side, the Chatteras cake shop from Japan. Alright, moving on. There are lots of restaurants here. There's a Bak Kut Teh, Old Street, Youtiao, and the Doujiang, which is kind of soya milk. Ichiban Sushi from Japan. I mean Japan brand, and Caesarea Restaurant Cafe selling the pizza, pasta, and Western food. And right here is the Yakiniku from Japan BBQ food stuff. And that corner is a soup restaurant. iJuice vending machine and the Nestle. Next we have the Kenjo and Crystal Optical Shop. Kenjo selling the women's group and Optical Shop Crystal. Overall, I think it's a nice neighborhood mall with most of the things that the residents need, like the dining and restaurant and the shopping and the supermarket. And right here, we are approaching this level 3, the Japan Home right in front. They're selling some nice luggage over there. The price drop $50. Let's have a closer look. $39.90, even $19.90. There's a Watson Pharmacy. Next is the Winning. This is a new shop never heard before. Oh, it's some luggages as well. Winter clothing. Skin Go skincare shop. Glamour Beauty. New Palace Beauty Collection. There's a shop called the Best Tech selling aircon. There's a Go Lion. The belts and stuff for men. And then I'm quite surprised there's a Chainsaw Public Library right here. You heard it right. It's a library under the National Library block. I mean the board. Wow. Alright, there's a few shops in front. Vivian and Xian. And then before that there's a Cube Eye selling some cute plush toy. Vivian and Xian is selling luggages, women's bags, leather shoes, and even the children's stuff. Oh, those luggage bags are really like stylish. And lastly, the popular bookstore and a Bata shop right here, which is a local brand selling the shoes. Alright, now on level 4, there's a value dollar shop which sells really like budget kind of price. I mean the snacks at prices at $1.25. $3.95 is like very budget kind. Look at the speaker, $2.50. So cheap. Next we have a Scarlet Mini Mart right here from China. They have branches in lots of neighborhood in Singapore. Jean hairdressing. Vanilla. I think over here will be like the skincare shops. Oh, there's a clinic called Health Way Manicure. Oh, dental surgery, dental clinic Q&M. Lastly, IVI therapies for the facial treatment, eye treatment, Hot Spring Spa. Next, you have the Moss Burger. Yeah, burger I really like. Yummy. Oh, there's a food court here. And before that, there are two ATMs, State Bank of India and Bank of China ASS machine. Check out the offer of National Day special from the food court. The name of the food court is Foodies Garden. I never heard of this before in my whole life. I mean, in Singapore, this is the first time I am checking out. Let's check out. This is Tasty Wok, Jinxiangguo. The prices from $6.90 onwards is considered average. Then we have the king of fried rice. Oh, I like the dining experience. I mean the ambience. Look at the overhanging kind of like little shops and fronts, and the lanterns and the lights. There is a mala xiangguo on the right side. Wang Xiao Zan, Hunan cuisine. The Hong Kong 猪腸粉. Or the dim sum is here. The ji zhong fan, zhong fan, freshly made. I can see something coming up. It's a nice artificial garden here. Lady green, the noodles, and then the 秋莲板面. Herbal soup. You guys love soup, can come here. Unheng Roasted Delight Chinatown. Next is the original sliced fish soup. And lastly, teppanyaki, omo curry rice and donburi. And look at that, a mini pub in the corner. SKP. Then there's a, before that, this is how it looks like. SKP with the stationery and stuff. And the K-cut stand, barber shop. A man is having a haircut right now. Next we have the Venus. It's a kind of beauty shop. And on the left side, I see the 4-star mattress, some kiddie game, and a Singapore Post. And there's a Ma Guang TCM. If you feel pain in your body, just come here. But then the price will be kind of private. I mean, it's quite high. There's a staircase going up. I mean, they're under renovation. There'll be some kind of new stuff at the top floor again in the next maybe a few months. And a selfie photo booth. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can get to watch this video. Thanks very much. One thing cool about exploring the malls for first time is that you never really know what to expect. And stay tuned guys, I'm going outside to explore some of the neighborhood of the Hougang here. You're greeted by lots of fruits. Fruit heaven. Oh, by the way, I saw a kopitiam coffee shop right there. This is part of the Hougang town center. Wow, there are still quite a number of shops on the outside. Starting from the fruit box, Bai Li Xiang. There's a cake shop here. The name is DJ Bakery. That's a nice name. Oh, I like that colorful, I think the rainbow cake or something right here. Oh yeah, the rainbow cake, $3.80. Wow, they have a lot of like bakeries over here. Look at that, offer from $1 onward, the cake and bread. Surprisingly, their durians sold outside the NTUC fair price. And this is like one for $20 or $15 depending on the haircut for $5. You can't really find this price anymore elsewhere. Wow, just when I thought everything is finished, there's a contact lens center. This is Hougang Central Court. There's even the eyelash, eyebrow, facial stand. Before that, there's kind of mini playground for the kids. The slide. Hassan Barber and Trading. And there's a PS Essential, I think the name. Yeah, PS Essentials. There's also a food court called Kopitiam Corner. The time now is 9 PM. They're still open. $1 off special offer for these peanuts, sesame noodle, and that Putian cabbage rice. And they're promoting the trust card. Actually, it looks bigger than the actual size. It's just this is an enlarged version, and then one free hot coffee or the day when you make 4 sessions. Coffee means coffee, day means tea. And then currently the National Day promotion is like 60 cents for hot coffee or teh. The O means without sugar. Let's have a small tour. Traditional bak chor mee, the corner. At the Cai Peng Changcheng. In this case, the Cai Fan mixed rice, you select a few dishes from the various dishes and then you mix with the rice or curry. The Chiu Lian Ban Mian is popular in Singapore. Kang Ka Mo Wanton Mee, but I think it's closed for now. Right here, the Wanton Mee. More stores at the corner. This Kopitiam Corner. Big Kettle Western. Japanese and Korean cuisine. There's a coffee shop in front. There's a herbal soup and a yeah. The Zhijia Yong Dao Hu, which is like kind of similar to the Cai Peng, but the dishes are different, and then maybe the noodles or the rice. And lastly, we bought the Changjing Mala Xiangguo. The fishball noodle and the bak chor mee there. Alright, kind of drizzling right now, a little rain. I'm making my way back to the Hougang MRT. It's just a few meters from here. Having my last look at the fruits. 91 packet for $5. Mangoes. Look at the yellow dragon, avocado, dragon fruit, coconut, and durians. Wow. Thanks everyone for watching this walking tour of the Hougang Mall and the Hougang neighborhood. I wish everyone happy National Day once again, and take care everyone. I'd like to see you guys in the next video, and stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Going towards the Hougang MRT metro station right now. Lots of people.